right, let's button it up and we'll be out of here. Okay, final checks. Yeah, we can remove the chalk. All right, 2 months in the making of this. Hello, Hunter, you're on the vlog.
Yay! I'm part of the YouTube channel. Hello, I have ducks and lizards.
Hold up, I don't even know if it's recording.
God.
How you doing, bud?
Well, I just got a snowflake to the eye.
This is part like 8 of the Celica rebuild. It's running now, it's on the road. And we're about to head downtown to finish it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very harder than I wanted to.
Yeah. Beth, fill it. The Celica,
right?
no. But anyway, the Celica's running. We're gonna go finish it tonight at the downtown garage. I don't know if the camera's working right now, if it's even recording, but the Celica's on the road. Hold up. It's got a bit of a vacuum leak somewhere in it. We're going to replace the valve cover gasket because it's leaking a little bit and may as well take care of it. And we've either overfilled the coolant and it's misting out, or it's got a coolant leak. But it's running. It's moving. Like, that's the road. It's moving. It's been a minute since it's been down here though. A long time. Movie theaters. Big truck. Clyde's still running though. There's Sean. Now the plan is just let it cool off and get to work, really. And me being me, I definitely forgot something, so we're gonna take the little red bomb, or what's the other name for it? The bean. The bean, and we're gonna go get one more part we need for this, and let it cool, and then we'll get out of here. No, you can drive, chauffeur. Take me away. Here, you're gonna need this.
Yeah, I think that I might. You can just put it somewhere it won't get lost.
I have my wallet. Yep. All right, we've hopefully fixed at least one of the issues.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows? I don't. That's for sure.
We've been here like an hour. We're not going to mention the amount of times we went back and forth between here and the house and
No.
Canadian Tire.
No.
Okay, fire.
Don't forget.
Home Depot, right?
Well, it's on.
Here, hold up.
Where does this flip into?
It just lies there for now, but let me get under here for a second. I see you.
By the way, it's standing.
Yeah, you're freaking me out. All right, yeah, close it. Onwards to test driving and really bad snow.
All right.
This is a great time to be test driving a fresh build too. All right, so you guys saw the action. The Subaru that was with us, he just left, but the Subaru was fun. Didn't get a lot of, don't actually know who you are, but dude, that was fun. Yes, sorry Mom, I'm in a t-shirt. And Clyde's back. I'm not sure if he's going back to Ottawa, but he's back. Well, we're test driving the new build in, well, not new build, but the repair in these conditions.
GoPro's not gonna pick it up, dude.
Yeah, it's what are the conditions like?
Shit.
Anyhow, this is kind of the only option we had in terms of test driving. It's not ideal, but we're both pretty tired. So if the last couple of videos have seemed a bit mumbo jumbo, that's because it is.
Yeah.
Like,
in recording and editing and actually doing this shit.
yeah, like take it from us, doing a head gasket job is a lot of fucking work.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it was a good 2 weeks over the Christmas break, and then pretty much 5-6 days now.
Yeah.
In February to finish it. It was,
Yeah.
and these aren't like 4-hour days. This is like 8-9 hours working on this, and we aren't pro mechanics. I'm definitely not.
Yeah.
Like,
for me, it is 4-hour days, but I'm doing 4 hours at work before it. So.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you're even more than that some days.
Mm-hmm.
Like, the most pro mechanic of all of us is probably Max. We're 19, 20-year-old kids who are in college and trying to make a old Celica work. But for right now, it's working. Also, we would be the only crackheads driving a car that's had engine work done on it like the day before in a blizzard. Let's just put that out there.
Yeah.
Anybody else would wait for a better day. But here,
We're like, no, fuck that.
yeah, fuck that. Here we are at
It's ready,
at
so.
11:30. Yeah, it's ready mostly, and here we are. Alright, well, this is definitely going to be the most jumped together vlog ever. But the Sleek is out here at Lansdowne Place in Peterborough. Yes, the Sleek is still in Peterborough. We're not in Ottawa right now. I know, I've kind of been jumping all over the place with Sean and videos and everything else going on. It's been a busy couple weeks for me. But we're out at Lansdowne Place. We've probably got maybe 30K on the motor since it's been fixed up. It's running solid. It's running good. We've got a small vacuum leak, a small oil leak. Sean is running the wipers at absolutely as fast as they will go. But yeah, he's running them again. And there they go again. I'm pretty sure he's going to start any second now. Yeah, there they go. Anyway, we've got some mileage on the new build. We're going to keep going. It's like 11 o'clock at night, which is great. There's nobody out, so we can just drive to get miles on this thing. And I don't know if it's going to go back to Ottawa or not at this point. If you're watching this, another video has probably been uploaded saying whether it has or not, but I don't know. Time will tell. We'll see.